Hey, how you doing today? This is the Joe Tree, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you 2 hairstyles you can rock with medium to long hair. Let's get right into it. The only product that I use for my hair currently is this. It's like a leave-in conditioner. I usually use this cream to keep the frizz down and to have like a little bit of shine onto it. Let's get it. So the first hairstyle I'm gonna show you is the classic middle part. First thing, obviously, you just wet your hair, make sure it's damp, all this and that. The middle part gives off a greaser look. So you get a towel, dry it up a bit. So now that your hair is a little bit damp, we're not going to use the product I showed you at the beginning of the video. When you use a little bit of this, or any style of cream of your choice, don't get too much. I usually get like this amount. Spread it through your hair. The next thing I would do is just get a wide tooth comb, spread out your hair, spread it down the middle or where your hair naturally parts. And there you go. This is the Lord Farquaad hair, that's what we call it. The second hairstyle, the Brad Pitt hairstyle. Once you have like the middle part, it's just as simple as just use a comb, figure out where you want to part your hair, and just slide it over. This is what it looks. Part. I usually always go for that natural look. I don't want everything just to be perfect. And if I want, just split it over, something like that. Do the middle part naturally. That was it for this hairstyle video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.